Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a versatile countertop blender designed for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and many other kitchen creations. If you're looking for a practical appliance that can simplify your daily routine, this review is for you. At first glance, the blender features a modern and clean design that fits nicely into almost any kitchen setup. The controls are straightforward, making it easy for beginners and experienced users alike to start blending right away. One of the biggest advantages of this blender is its ability to handle a variety of ingredients. Whether you're preparing a fruit smoothie in the morning, a protein shake after a workout, or ingredients for a homemade sauce, the powerful blending system is built to deliver smooth and consistent results. The large blending jar provides enough capacity for individual servings as well as family-sized portions. This means you can prepare multiple drinks at once without needing several blending cycles. Another important factor is convenience. Cleaning a blender can sometimes be frustrating, but this model is designed with everyday use in mind. The removable components help make cleanup quicker and easier, saving valuable time in the kitchen. During operation, the blender offers reliable performance and efficient mixing. It is suitable for users who want a balance between power, functionality, and simplicity. Overall, this countertop blender is a solid option for anyone looking to create smoothies, shakes, cocktails, and other blended recipes at home. It combines practical features, user-friendly controls, and dependable performance into one convenient appliance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what kitchen appliance you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.